safely, pilot.
There we go. No, that was weird. I did that differently. Anyway, Bobby, Dragonfly 0106, ready for takeoff. Clear prop, clear prop, clear prop. Looking for RPMs. There we go. We have rotor rotation. Off we go. Anyway, you'll probably like this one. Let's see if I can do it. This is my helicopter practice. I can only do it with the trucks. Oh, there goes a truck. I can't do it. I have to do it in the straight part here. I'm trying to land. I land on the trucks, but I can't do it during a turn. I got to do it in the straight part here. Shoot. Yeah. I'm looking for the brown trucks. I think they're supposed to be like UPS trucks or something, I guess. Is that a truck? Oh, overspeed. No, that's not a truck. Either one of those are. Oh, that is. Well, no, it's not the big truck, though. I'm looking for the big truck. Come on, big truck. There's one. Haha. Excellent. Okay, let's reduce forward speed to 0. Okay, yaw. There he is. So I need to try to land on him right in this, right here where it is straight, where it goes straight. So what I got to do is wait till he catches up, then I got to match his speed, and then I got to drop down on him. It's a bitch. I've done it a couple times. There he is. Okay, relax, Jim. Relax, relax, easy. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. There we go. We're on. We are taking a ride. Oh, what the heck is... Well, that's weird. Okay, now it's going to knock me off. Boom. Up we go. Ha! What is that? Oh, wow. I must have started it on fire, I guess. Oh, that's heck funny. Okay. Gotta watch a tail strike on that wall. Okay, there we go. Well, what the heck? I'll refuel. Maybe try it again. I'll probably crash, but if I can do it twice, that'll impress you. I'm just I'm a whore for your approval. Can't help it. So I'm assuming that one's going to come back. The one I landed on, or did it blow up? Oh, it's still on fire. Oh, that's hella funny. Okay, let's straighten up, fly right, bring our airspeed to 0, yaw. That's the straight part coming up right here. All right, where is it? I cannot see it. There he is. Oh wow, this is going to be really hard. I can't freaking see. Can't see the surface of it. Okay, I've matched its speed a little bit faster than it is. Go up and oh! I hit it a little bit too hard. Okay, anyway, you get the idea. I'm getting good. I still haven't taken my license yet. I'm going to wait so I can get
0106, you are cleared for takeoff.
So I can get pure gold on all my tickets, on all my license challenges. Anyway, buddy, you're going to love this thing. Oh, my God. Talk about a squeaker. I mean, I get off this thing, and I feel like I'm wrung out. It just takes it all out of you. It's great. Okay, have a good one. Hope the kids aren't driving you too nuts.